Hey guys, my name is Joe with Car Care Team. Today we're going to replace an oxygen sensor on a 2003 Honda Accord. And we're going to talk about check engine lights. Check engine lights can come on for many different reasons. The car has an onboard diagnostic system that reports any trouble codes for any faults stored in the computer, which is because the computer is sensing all the sensors, and if any of them are reporting wrong readings, it will illuminate a check engine light, letting you know that either the sensor is malfunctioning or the system that it's sensing is malfunctioning, which you will need to diagnose and repair. We're going to use our OBD scan tool to connect to the car's computer to see what faults have been stored in the computer. We're going to connect to the data link connector located under the driver's kick panel, or near the driver's kick panel, right there. This diagnostic scan tool will connect to the car's computer and will allow us to read what faults are present. The key must be in the on position without the engine running. Now that the scan has been completed, we're going to hit OK in this menu. This car currently has a malfunction code for O2 sensor, positive current, control circuit, open, bank 1, sensor 1. Open means that there is a connectivity issue within the wiring, which means the wiring issue could be within the component itself, which is the load of this circuit, or it could be elsewhere, which needs to be diagnosed by a professional technician and determined whether a sensor replacement is needed. Here where the oxygen sensor is located, under the hood. A V6 engine is going to have two banks. This is one oxygen sensor. The other will be on the other side. The oxygen sensor is attached to the exhaust manifold and can be removed with a 22mm socket. The oxygen sensor has a wire coming off of the end, and so it needs a specialty tool. This tool has an opening on the end, which allows you to slip this over the wire and attach a 3/8 inch wrench. On this 6-cylinder engine, according to the firing order, this is cylinder 1, which means this is bank 1. And we are going to be replacing the rear oxygen sensor located right on this side. With your ratchet, remove the oxygen sensor. Now that we broke loose the oxygen sensor, we're going to disconnect its connector, which is located right back here. I like to use the Denso brand oxygen sensors. They're original manufacturers for Hondas and Toyotas. When you remove your sensor, make sure that it matches your new one. Once you've ensured that it matches, apply a little bit of anti-seize to the threading of the oxygen sensor in order to keep it from rusting, in order to be able to be removed in the future with ease. When putting anti-seize onto the threads, ensure that you don't get any on the sensor area. Go ahead and then thread the oxygen sensor back into the exhaust manifold. Go ahead and resecure your oxygen sensor using your specialty tool. Repositioning it accordingly in order to not damage the wire. Go ahead and reconnect the oxygen sensor connector and secure the wires with a zip tie. Once the sensor replacement has been performed, in that same menu, you're able to go into the erase codes, hit erase, confirm that the key is on, the engine is off, hit enter, ensure the ignition is off. This system will reset the computer and clear all diagnostic trouble codes. You're going to go ahead and start the engine and ensure the check engine light is no longer on. I did a final test drive. Car's running great, no check engine light. I hope you like this video. Please share with anyone who you think might find it useful, and thanks for watching. The computer is sensing all the sensors. Either the sensor is malfunctioning or the system that it's sensing is malfunctioning.